Red alert! If you see this on your nails, immediately visit a doctor. Have you even noticed white dots on your nails? If you have, are you aware of their meaning? Namely, these dots are results of air bubbles under the nail. They are known as leukonychi and occur due to minor injuries at the nail's base. Moreover, these dots may also be inherited, but sometimes, they may be a sign of a more serious health issue. Therefore, as soon as you notice these spots on your nails, you should immediately see a doctor, as they may have been affected by eczema, psoriasis, warts or fungus, onychomycosis. Also, they may also be one of the 7 symptoms of sarcoidosis, which is a disease that affects the lungs, the skin, and other body organs. Furthermore, if your nails have white specks and are soft, you probably suffer from plumber nail, which might be a sign of thyroid gland issues or hypothyroidism. Note that if the line is lower on the nail, you have discovered the condition in its early stage. You should also consult your doctor if you have 2 white horizontal lines across its surface, as it may be a symptom of malaria, Hodgkin's disease, cardiac arrest or leprosy. If these lines can be seen on more nails, it indicates that you have hypoalbuminemia or reduced levels of albumin protein in your blood. Furthermore, this disease may lead to numerous other chronic and acute medical conditions, including heart failure, inter alia, irregular diet, liver cirrhosis, and kidney disease. Nevertheless, you should not panic immediately, as, in most cases, these lines appear only due to injury or an infection. Yet, it is always best for your doctor to examine it thoroughly and tell you if these lines are an indication of a serious issue or not.
Yeah.